everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make shrimp and grits. Alright guys, first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season the shrimp. I'm gonna get maybe 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and I'm gonna get my creole season. I'm gonna put a little bit on it, and I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic, like a teaspoon of garlic, and I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper. Okay, let me get the knife. Guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon juice on the shrimp, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a little bit of oil. Okay, like 1 teaspoon of oil. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna marinate it. Alright guys, I'm gonna let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes while I'm preparing the other stuff. What I'm gonna do guys now, I'm gonna cut the bacon little piece. Guys, I'm gonna fry the bacon, and I'm gonna let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes until it's all the way crispy. Alright guys, it's been frying for 3 minutes. That's the way it looks like, but I still need to fry it more so it can be more crispy. Alright guys, the bacon is done. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a piece of napkin and I'm gonna put the bacon there. And what you don't need to do, don't throw this oil away, because you're gonna need this oil to fry the shrimp. Guys, you can use the chicken broth. I'm gonna get 2 cups of it. I'm gonna make the grits now. So you guys can see. Okay. Okay, that's 2 cups of it. And I'm gonna put 1 cup of water. Alright guys, and I put 1 cup of water. And I'm gonna let it boil before I put the grits. Alright guys, the water is boiling now. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the grits. You need to stir the grits in the water while you put in it so you don't get stuck. It was on the high, now I'm gonna put it on medium instead of high, and I'm gonna let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, that's the oil I was frying the bacon. Now what I'm gonna do, that's my vegetable. I have some green pepper, some red pepper, some orange pepper, and some onion. I'm gonna put all of them together, and what I'm gonna do, I have some green onion, I have some garlic I already chopped, and I'm just gonna stir it. Okay, I'm gonna let it stir for 3 minutes. Alright guys, after 10 minutes, that's the way the grits look like. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get some black pepper. I'm gonna put some black pepper. And I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put let me put, let's say 4 teaspoons of butter. And I'm gonna stir the butter in the grits. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the cheese. I have some triple cheddar cheese, but you can put any type of cheese you want. I'm gonna get let's say 1 cup of cheddar cheese. I'm gonna put 1 cup for now. I'm gonna stir it. You see how cheesy start to look? And I'm gonna put another cup, because this one have 2 cups on it. I'm gonna put another cup on it. As you guys can see how cheesy it is. Let me stir it. Good. Okay. Alright guys, it's pretty much done. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it on low, and I'm gonna just leave it until I'm done with the shrimp. Alright guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter. I'm just gonna let it steam for a little bit. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic powder, and I'm gonna get the paprika so it can give it a little bit of color. I'm gonna put some paprika on it, like 1 teaspoon of paprika, and I'm gonna stir it. Alright guys, if you want, you can put some hot sauce, but because of my kids, I'm not gonna put no hot sauce. It smells so good, guys. I'm telling you, it smells so good. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm done with it. I'm gonna put it in the bowl for now. Alright guys, now what I'm gonna do, that's the pot I just used for the vegetable. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on it. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my shrimp. Add all my shrimp, and I'm gonna put it on medium. I don't wanna put it on high so they don't get burned. Okay. I'm gonna leave it for like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna turn it in the other way. After like 2 minutes, let me try to turn it. I'm gonna turn it. Yes, baby. Alright, guys. As you guys can see, you don't want the shrimp to cook too much. I've been doing that I've been like turning them back and forth for like 5 minutes. It on the floor. I don't want it to be burnt. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some parsley. I love this shrimp. Yeah, I don't want it. Alright guys, as you can see, that's the way the shrimp looks like. It's very much good. Alright guys, I just put the vegetable on the side and I put the shrimp on the side, and I'm gonna let it stay like that for like 1 minute, and I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on the vegetable side. And if you guys want, you guys can add hot sauce, you guys can add spicy sauce, because I'm making it for my kids, my husband and I don't want to put no spicy sauce, but if you guys want, you guys can add some spicy sauce. I'm done with everything. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of the food to put on the plates. As you guys can see how cheesy the grit is. See all that cheese. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of the cheese on the grit. Alright guys, I'm gonna get, that's the bacon. I'm gonna do. Let me get the vegetable. Alright guys, let me add the shrimp. I'm adding on the shrimp. I'm sorry for my kid. I can hear my kid in the background. Sorry guys. Okay. Alright guys, as you guys can see, and I'm gonna get some of the green onion. I'm just gonna put it for decoration, stuff like that. Let me put one more shrimp. Alright guys, I'm done. As you guys can see, that's the way it looks like. That's the way you make shrimp and grits, and it's really simple and it tastes so good guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you so much again for watching. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye.